Hello, OFC. Today we are making a pear and burrata salad. Fresh, juicy, and creamy. A perfect taste. This salad is autumn and sunshine on a planet. Sweet pears, soft burrata, and a little green freshness. Let's get started. So, we're gonna need the rucola, pear, tomato, the creamiest burrata you can find, a little bit of balsamico, and some pesto. You don't even understand how good that smells. And then, a little secret from me, a little addition, a prosciutto of your choice. Step 1. Create a fresh green band with arugula. It's peppery, it's crunchy, it's the perfect base for our salad. So we start with arugula, which adds a crisp and peppery foundation. Think of it as a stage for everything else. Bold enough to stand out, but delicate enough to let other ingredients shine. Next come the pear. Ripe, golden, and fragrant. It brings a burst of sweetness, crunchiness, and juicy contrast to all the greens. Every slice is like a little reminder of this sunny afternoon. Now I will just chop off some of the fresh basil. Now my favorite and the most important part, the burrata. Look how soft that is. When you open it, the creamy center flows out like velvet. It's rich, smooth, and pairs perfectly with both sweetness of pears and the sharpness of arugula. This is where salad becomes indulgent. Now we need to add a little bit of this fresh basil. It is small, but it gives this kick. Just a few leaves and freshness, aroma, and that unmistakable Mediterranean touch. It is the little detail that elevates the dish. Now, the other very important part is the seasoning. Let's add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and my favorite, the balsamico. A little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds smoothness, and balsamic glaze gives a sweet hang, and a touch of salt and pepper ties everything all together. No need for anything complicated. The ingredients speak of themselves. Now I will add the prosciutto. I love folding it like this. Just fold it and put it. And some more, a little bit for here, and a little bit for that. And that's it. A pear and burrata salad. That's light, colorful, and full of flavor. It works as a starter, a side, or even a light nudge. Stay with OFTV for more fresh recipes. And don't forget to subscribe for the next delicious idea. Bye-bye!